Brandon, wave to Grandpa. Wave to him.
Well, you act up, Byron. Brandon, that's what you're doing. But your mother's not doing very much either.
What? Mother, what?
What? That's it. You're asking for it.
The way you want it.
That's all you got to say, Barb?
No.
Are you going to hide from it?
Yeah.
Hello.
What are you building?
Hey, Byron.
Brandon.
Move, Amber.
The castle.
That's a castle?
Yeah, that was.
Brandon, wink at me.
Wink.
You know how to wink. Wink at Grandpa.
Wink.
Just one eye.
Wink one eye.
What, Amber, move. Okay, now wink one time. There. Well, that's pretty good, I guess.
That's the way you.
Is that how you wink? Like a.
Now give me one.
That's your Grandpa. Wink at Grandpa. Like how we were doing. There you go.
There, that's a good one, yeah.
See? The light's gonna get in the castle.
Uh-huh. Is this...
Get out of my face. Mommy, never did that.
Don't do that, hon. I can't see you.
Amber needs to brush her hair.
Hello.
But do something, Amber. Or,
Oh, you won't get those ice cream, right?
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Do you have to be good to have ice cream?
Yeah. See, there's a car.
Who's ice cream man guy?
Mommy, you're funny, Rabbit. You're a funny rabbit. Look.